So this tough Russian guy never expected a Justin Bieber song to save his life one day. You see, Igor Vorzhebitsin had just been heading to his favorite fishing spot in northern Russia when he was suddenly jumped by an angry brown bear. Although Igor hadn't even noticed this bear, he had apparently disturbed it, so it just began brutally mauling him. But although he was convinced he was dead, that's when his phone just randomly started playing Baby by Justin Bieber. As it turns out, this was actually Igor's ringtone, and someone just so happened to call him at the time. But the minute Baby started playing, Igor was shocked to see the bear just instantly run away for some reason. So he was actually able to survive the encounter with severe injuries and just said he couldn't believe his luck. And when Igor was finally asked later about his embarrassing ringtone, he simply said that his granddaughter had added it as a joke.